Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change speakers in an Audi A6 C6. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal kit and a Torx screwdriver set. You will also need your new speakers, often 6.5-inch components for the main drivers. Understanding the door panel's attachment points is key to a smooth process. This guide will walk you through each step, from careful disassembly to final reassembly and testing, ensuring a successful audio upgrade for your vehicle. To begin, use a plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry off the decorative trim, often found near the door handle and armrest. Next, locate and unscrew all Torx screws. There are typically 4 to 5 screws hidden behind these trim pieces and the door handle. Once all screws are removed, gently pull the door panel away from the door frame to release the retaining clips. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors and the door handle cable before fully removing the panel. With the door panel removed, you will see the existing speaker. Use a Torx screwdriver to unscrew the speaker from its mounting points. Carefully disconnect the electrical wiring harness from the back of the old speaker. Now, connect your new speaker to the vehicle's wiring harness, ensuring a secure connection. Finally, position the new speaker into the mounting location and fasten it with screws, making sure it is seated properly. To reassemble, first reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable to the door panel. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame, ensuring all clips line up, then firmly press around the edges to snap them back into place. Reinstall all the Torx screws you removed earlier, followed by the decorative trim pieces. Before fully closing the door, test the functionality of your new speakers and ensure the window operates correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.